Alright. Hi everyone. It's James again. Hang on a sec. I know it's been a long time since I have made a tutorial video. My last one, and only one actually, was the MS Paint tutorial, and I didn't get a lot of feedback from that one, but I hope it helped at least someone. Um, Now, this one is going to be about Windows 8, and now I actually had to update mine to 8.1, but it's still basically, I think it's basically the same. I think if you watch a tutorial about Windows 8, you will know how to use 8.1 because they're minor differences. 8.1 just has a little bit of updates, but it's still the same. It's still the same operating system with just new things. Okay. First of all, um, when you first get a computer, if you get a new computer with Windows 8, it will prompt you with like how you want it to look and language and stuff and all that. I can't show you that, but it's pretty self-explanatory. They make it pretty well, so like it's pretty intuitive. Like you don't like it's pretty self. I mean, like let me like it shows you pretty much what to do, so I don't need to explain that part to you. Now, after all that though, it just sort of says, here you go, here's Windows 8, and myself personally, I skipped the tutorials. I think there's a tutorial, I skipped that, and if you skip that, you're just kind of left here with this new operating system, and it's like, oh wow, what do I do? So this is cool. And now the one thing that you'll notice probably first off about Windows 8 is that it has this here, and instead of a start, you can click this, and it will take you to this thing, which is kind of like it's kind of like on your Xbox or something. It's similar to a lot of things have this set up now, and it's okay. Like you can use this instead of your desktop, but I personally use my desktop because I find it's easier. But this is pretty cool. I mean, you just click on things and you have like little interesting apps, like you have like maps and stuff, and camera. Hi. Jeez. Okay. That other picture that you see now, I borrowed one of my dad's cigars, and I thought it was cool. Anyway, sorry, I just thinking about that picture. Um, anyway, so it's just really easy. This is all really easy. Oh, sorry. They all made it all pretty self-explanatory for the most part. But if you don't know, I mean, you might not know. I mean, everybody has their own paces in which they learn. I really like this. This is really helpful because it's just right there. You just use your mouse on the side, and you have all this at your disposal. So let's check out settings, and here we have the control panel, which is not much different from previous control panels in the operating system in previous Microsoft operating systems. I don't know. I didn't really plan this out too much. I don't know if I want to get into everything. Maybe I can do another two-part. Let's see how long this video is running. Okay, I'll stop at 10 minutes, and I'll just see how far I can cover in 10 minutes. So let's do system and security. So you have with your system and security, this is all about you're making sure your computer is running efficiently, like with your power options. It has a bunch of stuff, like it has the action center, which is you can find out what's wrong with your computer, and a firewall, which I don't think I need to go over that because it's still pretty much essentially works the same. All of this does really, I think. I mean, there's a couple like you can add features to Windows 8.1. I haven't done that yet, but it's pretty cool. And you just like check for up, and all this is essentially the same. So one sec. Yeah, and then hardware and sound, and you have your NVIDIA. Oh, I mean I have NVIDIA, but like it's just it's all very I don't think I have to go over the control panel too much with you. I mean, everything is pretty intuitive. I'm just trying to think really quickly here about Windows 8 and what's really different from Windows 7. Again, this thing is pretty neat, I guess. Everything works the same, like all it's all the fundamentals that you see in every Windows operating system is here. I mean, you have to change, like, it's just that I feel like oh, what do we have for time here? You know, I'm just gonna make this one video because looking at this now, I really don't. I think because I thought that maybe I could make this video for people that are unfamiliar with computers, but I think Windows 8 really did a good job, like presenting you with a decent and easy to use interface with the operating system here. It's very user friendly, and some people might say it's a little bit too user friendly, but I mean it's all a matter of preference, right? Like you can have Linux or whatever, and you can also have this. I mean, but I mean I don't know, like if you just want to have a computer and you don't want to, you're not really into computers and you do other things, Windows 8 is pretty good, I'd say. I'm just trying to think here. The search. See, I was, and that's another thing that changed, is that down here where the start button is, you'd have your search, but here you have your search, and it's categorized too. You can search everywhere, like on the internet, which is pretty cool. Settings, files, web images, web videos, which I think is a really great addition. It's the simple things that really add up and make it, you know. And share screenshot of desktop. That's really cool. See, everything about this, I like it. It's very what's the word? It's just really nice. It's really easy. It's all there, and you can share stuff with your friends. And I'm gonna put this video up, and then give me some feedback if you think I should do another video and just really kind of get into all the minor details. If you really have troubles, I can do a video like that. But for now, I think I'm just gonna leave this as is, and I just want you to, and then I'll see what happens. Okay, it's James, and with your Windows 8.1 8/8.1 tutorial. Until next time.